bahagia selalu. Semoga punya anak lucu-lucu. Cepet dapat momongan ya.
Semoga rezekinya lancar.
Sampai kakek nenek ya.
Anaknya banyak.
Langgang selalu ya. Sukses selalu ya.
Semoga langgeng sampai kakek nenek.
Stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share her home. I found a love to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own. We are still kids, but we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright this time, darling. Just hold my hand, be my girl, I'll be your man. I see my future in your eyes, baby. I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When I saw you in that dress, looking so beautiful, I don't deserve this, darling. You look perfect tonight.
Oke, happy wedding Dewi dan Dwi. Semoga kedepannya Bapak Langgeng mendapat omongan. Salam tua. Salam tua.